Pero yun, if you're wondering,
Yes, I am wondering.
feel ko naman buong concept na to, nag-wonder kayo. Ba't ba ganito? Hindi, ano lang, nag-enjoy lang kami kaka-conceptualize. Ganda naman, di ba guys? Saya, di ba? Dito naman. Ayun, pero to give you a gist,
New word unlocked.
you gist. To give you a
To give you a
To give
gift.
you a gist, Pink Planet is about honoring the stars who came before us, the ones who paved the way for dreamers like us. So this next song is our... Uy! Kinakabahan ako!
Kinakabahan
Pero ayoko
ako.
muna tapusin yung skills. So this next song is our tribute to them.
Kaya ngayon, sama-sama nating itaas ang bandera ng OPM. Grabe. Araneta, OPM Live. Maraming salamat! Sir, maraming salamat po. Grabe, nakaka-starstruck din. Kinabahan ako sa yung performance.
natin ang Sir Doc Ryan! Grabe! Ramdam niyo yung kaba ko?
Grabe.
Grabe, nakakakabay yun.
Wala na akong ibang